Yeah, it's a fair question. I think the most attorneys have something that really inspired them. For me, it's not like I wanted to be a lawyer. That wasn't the reason for going to law school. I think way back, what it was is I had two older sisters. When we were growing up, they were always really, really smart, and always AP classes, getting A's in everything. And then I think my parents just kind of they were the smart ones, and I was not that I wasn't, but it was like they weren't expecting me to live up to those kind of abilities. And
We already have intelligence. Maybe you could do something else.
yeah, right. And I was the one I was running around playing sports all the time, so I don't think they were expecting me to have the intelligence. And so it was I wanted to show it, right? So I always was pushing hard in school. Just show that I was smart. I think it was like by my
I'm smart too.
yeah, I think it was probably like my junior or senior year or something. My mom, she like saw a report card and she was like, "Oh, like you get good grade." And I was like, "Yeah, like I'm not so bad at this either." So it was just, and I saw my sisters going to college, and I was so competitive with them that I wanted to always, I don't know, show that I could live up to their expectations or what they were doing.
So they set a high bar for you, and you were also trying to jump over it.
Yeah, 100%. And that's where I don't think I went to law school with the intention of becoming a lawyer. I know I didn't. I had a completely different intention, but I knew I wanted beyond a bachelor's degree.
Okay. And when did you decide? You went. We were talking. You went to Florida State, so you're a Seminole.
Yeah.
And at what point did you decide that before you even went to Florida State?
So maybe. I
Okay.
don't know. I knew I wanted to go to school beyond Florida State. I knew I wasn't just going to go into the workforce. I don't think I knew exactly what I wanted to do, but then going through the years, law school just it was something I wanted to do. Again, it was more just to prove to them and make my family proud more than anything, was to show I can get this other degree that nobody else in the family had gotten before.
That's great. A little bit of an overachiever or a wanting to really climb.
Yeah, and I that's really where it came from. There wasn't. I wish there was this grandiose idea that I was going to be the greatest attorney ever, and that's where it came from. But it wasn't. It was just the competitive spirit within my family wanting to do something that my parents would be proud of, kind of thing, and that.